An investigation will be launched to determine what caused the fire at Plaza 2001 in Chaguanas on Saturday morning. Chief Fire Officer Arnold Bristo told TTT News a security guard located at the shopping mall called in a report that the building was on fire around 9 a.m. Mr. Bristo said officers and appliances from the Central, Northern and Southern Division responded to the call, adding that water was supplied by the Water and Sewerage Authority, WASA.
I was brought under control and now has the ground operation. I want that to complete the investigation will move into detailing and cause of the fire.
Mr. Bristo said it was too early to estimate the losses incurred as a result of the fire. He did say no one was hurt during the blaze.
There was no loss of life, but there was no injury from anybody who was in the building. All the people would have been evacuated and firefighting operations would have commenced and taken care of the fire.
When TTT News visited the scene this morning, fire officers were still putting out the blaze. The entire building appeared to be gutted by the fire.